Namaste, I'm Nancy Abraham. Welcome to the fourth episode of Nritabhyasa. Nrita means dance, Abhyasa means practice. Yes, you heard it right. It's all about Indian dance practice. Do you know the entire Natyashastra is written in a sloka format? It's a conversation between sage Bharata and his disciple. So, sage Bharata is answering, and again, the disciples are asking questions. So, this is how the format goes. So, the first chapter of Natyashastra, where the disciples ask 5 questions to sage Bharata. So, the questions are like this: Natya Veda Kadam Brahma Utpannaha. That how did Brahma created the Natya Veda? Kasya Vakrite, for whom it is created. Katti Angaha, how many angas or how many parts does it have? Kim Pramanaha, what is the magnitude or what is the complexity of Natyashastra? Prayokasya Asya Kitarsha, what is the applications of Natya? So after asking 5 questions to Sage Bharata, now Sage Bharata is answering to it. So Natya Veda Kadam Brahma Utpannaha. How did Brahma created Natya Veda, which is already dealt in the previous episode. It's about Natya Urudvrtta. Now Kasya Vakrite, for whom it is created. So generally Vedas are performed and practiced by the upper class people in the society. But Natya Veda, which is the fifth Veda, is practiced and performed by all class people. So the entire class people in the society can practice, and so it's created for everyone to entertain, to enjoy, to learn, to practice, to create, and to enlighten. So art or Natya is created for everyone. It is given to everyone. It is meant for enjoyment, entertainment, and practice. So basically, it is meant for people who are skillful and who is not easily tired of practice, and who is brave, and who wants to take the art as an enlightenment of life itself. உந்தன் கால் கொலுசில் அது தொலைந்ததென்று உந்தன் காலடி தேடி வந்தேன் காதல் என்றால் பெரும் அவஸ்தை என்று உன்னை கண்டதும் கண்டு கொண்டேன் இந்த கழுத்து வரை இன்று காதல் வந்து இரு கண் விழி பிதுங்கி நின்றேன் என்னவளே. Charis are depicted in the 10th chapter of Natyashastra. Now, what is Charis? Charis are simultaneous movement of feet, shank, hips, and thighs. Now, according to Natyashastra, we have Bhucaris and Charis. We have dealt few of the Bhucaris in our previous videos. So, in this video, we will be dealing with the 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th Bhucari, which is Edakakridita, Baddha, Urudvrtta, and Addita, respectively.
First variety Edakakridita, Edakakridita.
Second variety
Edakakridita, Edakakridita.
third variety
Edakakridita, Edakakridita.
The 8th Bhucari is Baddha. You have to sit in Aramandi. Count to the seat. This is the 9th Chari, called as Urudvrtta. 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 Urudvrtta.
The 10th Bhucari is Addita. Addita. Edakakridita. Para. Addita. Charata. Para.
Now, what does Natya brings you? What is the benefit of practicing Natya? Dharmyam yashasya mayushyam hidam buddhi vivartanam lokopadesham natyamed bhavishyati. Means the art of drama and Natya promote virtues, it brings fame and longevity, and it promotes it provide benefit, and it increase the intelligence, and it contains the proper advice to the world. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have missed my previous video, link is in the description box. Kindly do watch, share and subscribe. Thank you.